Yo, what's up? Welcome back. I haven't shot a video in a minute, but I'm just gonna open up the songwriting portal today and see what the universe will give me. I have my baritone guitar today. Cool, that sounds good. And then, you know what, let me get like a venue ambience going. So I'm just gonna pull in some session data from this record that I'm working on right now. It is called Music Club, do not import, okay. Yeah, so I'm using this Verb Suite Classics for the reverb, and it's on the Music Club setting, which I think sounds really sick. Maybe I could make it even wider. Yep. And then maybe we'll run a parallel of Portal just to give it a little bit of magic. It's been really sick working with all these other producers because I pick up all these plugins. You know, like I had Thermal, but I didn't know that Portal even existed until I worked with, who was using it? Maybe Greg Dubs? Maybe that's the guy. If it wasn't him, I'm sorry, whoever it was. It's really cool learning everybody's sauce and throwing it in when I need something a little bit quirky or weird. Might fight it, but let's see. I think it's sick. I'm just gonna shimmer it out. Maybe like a little magic channel happening right there. But I think it needs to be up, so let's wire this guy in. Technically, it should probably be earlier in the chain, but we're kind of just flying right now. And I guess you never know, when it's after the distortion pedal, it might even activate a little bit better, because sometimes the whammy pedal can be a little bit wonky and not really catch what I need it to catch. I need a bigger studio. Honestly, that was enough. A little wonky, that's all right. And I'm just gonna flip the chorus around the other way. Gotta pull out a little bit more high out of this guitar so it tucks back a little bit. And maybe we'll just wonk it up a little bit with Digitalis, my favorite setting, YouTube to MP3. What up, YouTube? Let's see if we can get like a little bit of like an indie groove underneath this, and maybe I'll chop it up a bunch. And groove, genre, indie as frick. Trying to make a little bit of a shuffle. Okay, let's get a hi-hat clamp, just the foot down of it. I just want that to be in between the first hi-hat. Throw thermal on this whole bus. It sounds really good. I want to see if there's like a weirder low-end element that we can throw in that's a little bit more iconic. I've been listening to, randomly, a lot more like EDM sort of stuff, but like off-brand EDM stuff, like Tu Hollis, who was introduced to me by Harry Was Here, which he was on the channel, and he's sick. Yeah, just like if there was a low-end thing that was like dung 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 dung, like kind of pulsy, that would be really cool. We needed to get the root notes first. What is CDM? That's kind of close to what I wanted. Whoa. There's too many notes in it, but that was really close. Futuristic ass sounding bass. Let's see if there's a way to half that. I don't know how to use this plugin. We're gonna figure it out though. Okay, I think that sounds good. Let's see if we can make an intro real quick. Maybe what I can do is just grab this guy, commit it, insert, do nothing. Yes, I'm gonna throw it on a stereo channel. Let's throw some echo on it. Yup, sounds cool already. And then all we do is just commit it. And then we'll chunk it over here. Blanc, audio, other, reverse. I wish there was a hotkey for reversing something, but there's freaking not. Shorten it up a little bit because I like that like sort of string sounding thing. Rise it in. Let's just find like a more airy sort of sounding sweep. Not crazy about the beat. I think we can make the beat better. It's these ghost notes. It's a better beat. Now let's figure out the ghost notes. That's better. All right, we need a top. That's cool. The accent might need to change, but it's pretty cool. It'll help out the hi-hat. I just wish there was a little bit more pulse in this bass, like a little more rubber band sounding thing. All right, how do I oscillate? And then maybe there's a way to change how much of it. I don't know what that is. I'm just gonna turn these down. Just a slight little wiggle going on. All right, let's grit this out a little bit. All right, what is this song saying to me today? It's definitely like super chill. When I hear it, I think of the fall. Might be because it's like, well, there's fall leaves outside. It's not necessarily sad. I don't usually write this way where it's like based off the instrumental, but sometimes I try to listen to it and think, what is this song asking for that will make sense with this instrumental? You know what I mean? Let's just start with some backing vocals and then maybe it'll come to us. A really good melody, ba ba ba, and something ignored and on my heart on the floor. Keeping up, to ignore, with my heart on the floor. I just kind of want to write about like the process of being in a fight with someone, you know, like you're trying to speak up but you're being ignored, and it's like, can't you see my heart is on the floor? Like that is cool. Can't you see that my heart is on the floor? Speaking up, cause I feel so ignored. Speaking up, cause I feel so ignored. All right, let me just do a double. Speaking up, cause I feel so ignored. Can't you see that my heart is on the floor? It's kind of nice when my voice is breaking up, especially for something like this. It's super sweet sounding, you know, and it's funny because like I have a gold AK-47 up in the corner of my room, but it's like writing a song that's like super soft and sweet and just kind of like heartfelt, the opposites of how I come off, which is like goofy and wannabe mobster. It's just the opposite. And I think that's kind of a cool angle to what my record is gonna be. I'm blocking off a lot of March so that I can work on this record and really get it wrapped up. I have like over 20 songs that I want on this thing. I think it's gonna be really cool once I get to make it, but the whole vibe is gonna be like holding a gold AK-47 with like a tiger, like a panther on a chain, but crying. You know what I mean? I just want to be like it was before. That's the last line. Actually, wait, that should be the lead up line, and then the last line should be like, but we're different now, you know? I wanna get back to how it was before. Yeah. That my heart is on the floor. I wanna get back to how it was before. Nice. Let me get some doubles. I wanna get back to how it was before. Time is up for the video, but I gotta finish this last line. and then we can call it. Because I have a session starting in 10 minutes. This is what I'm trying to do, is shoot a video every morning just to work on some stuff, maybe do some story time sort of stuff, and just chip away. I also got a couple mix tips that I want to shoot this week, so every morning before my sessions, I'm going to try to shoot a video. Just depends on if I can wake up in time.
I wanna get back to how it was before.
Something about slamming the door.
We're so different, slamming all the doors.
But we're so different. We're slamming all the doors, you know, like that has double meaning like when you're fighting, you slam a door because you're angry or whatever, or you're slamming the door like you're just shutting down, you're shutting off, you're putting a wall up, you know? I think the hook needs to be different.
But we're so different, we're slamming all the doors.
Nice, that feels better. Feels a little more like a resolve.
But we're so different, we're slamming all the doors.
There it is. That is a song starter if I've ever heard one. There's a concept, there's a vibe, there's a progression, there's really cool production in it and the ideas of what the final production would be like. This is perfect. I think it sounds great. Definitely a keeper. All right, well, with that, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm shooting a couple more videos this week, so I should have 2 videos out a week the rest of the year, maybe 3 if I can stay on top of everything. And I will catch you guys next time. I got to set up for my session. I'll just let it rip and see you. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Speaking up, cause I feel so ignored. Can't you see that my heart is on the floor? I wanna get back to how it was before, but we're so different.